Today the topic is 10 best computer programming language. 1. Python, a high-level, general-purpose language that is easy to learn, with a large library of useful modules. 2. Java, a popular language used for building enterprise applications and mobile apps, with strong cross-platform compatibility. 3. JavaScript, a language used primarily for web development, with support for both front-end and back-end development. 4. C++, a powerful language used for developing operating systems, games, and high-performance applications. 5. C#, a language developed by Microsoft for building Windows applications, games, and mobile apps. 6. PHP, a server-side scripting language used for web development, with a focus on building dynamic websites and applications. 7. Swift, a language developed by Apple for building iOS, Mac OS, and Watch OS applications. 8. Go, a language developed by Google that is used for building web applications, network services, and large-scale distributed systems. 9. Ruby, a language known for its simplicity and ease of use, with a strong focus on web development. 10. Kotlin, a language developed by JetBrains that is used primarily for building Android applications.